What's up guys, today I'm doing another video on 125cc four-wheeler. Take this off. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like for now, and maybe I might take it for a little spin. But anyways, it got a little bash guard there. Got you headlights. Got a gear shifter, drive, neutral, reverse. But in order to do in order to shift gears, you have to press. You gotta wait till it completely stops. So either press the back brake or the front brake, and you got a little emergency brake, but you gotta press that down. In order to do that, you have to press both the back brake and the front brake, and then press that in. Got little, I don't know what you call it, like racks, I guess, front and back one. Got a little kill switch right here. There. Got the lights on and off. And you press that, and you gotta squeeze the brake, or just press down the back brake over there, and press that to start it. But this right here, the key, show you what it looks like. You have to twist it, but got your little brake light, and that's pretty much it, guys. Right now, I guess I'm just gonna show you a little drive around. I guess, maybe. Oh, and always, guys, remember safety first. I'll show you. Alright. Sorry about that, guys. Fix it to where it keeps falling down. Sorry about that, guys. Well, that's pretty much it. Please like and subscribe. Most of y'all, I'm looking for 1,000 likes on this video, guys. I know that you can't see my face probably, but I had to slow down a little bit because my camera was falling. So, thanks for watching anyways. I'll see ya next time.